How's it going today, everybody? It's Joseph here once again. Well, it's that time of the year once again to get the Cutlass out of the garage one more time and take it up to the Littlefield gas station and put 100% gas in it with no ethanol. So thought I'd go on ahead and do a cold start. I ran it about 2 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago for Cars and Coffee to go see my friends. Actually, no, it's been over a month now that I think about it, because I took the New Yorker to Cars and Coffee last month. So we'll just see how the old girl does. Ooh, it is definitely cold. It's a cold start. Gonna have to let this thing warm up for a few minutes. Starting to pick up. Choke pull's kicking on. I don't know what that last mechanic did, but he did something to it, because we had taken it to the mechanic a couple of times and it didn't work right. And then the last mechanic that looked at it, he said, your choke pull wasn't connected properly. And so he put it in right, and it's worked every time ever since. So that's actually really cool that that works like it's supposed to now. Well, everybody, I hope you liked the video, and we will see Sweet71 at the start of spring of 2023. Catch you soon.